Dear students, in the last class we have discussed regarding the methods of preparation of that is alkyl halides. So another method is there, that is Hansadecker reaction, which already we have discussed in, that is carboxylic acid, that is reaction of the carboxylic acid due to COOH group, that is Hansadecker reaction. Hansadecker reaction, that is silver salt of the acids RCOOH, silver salt of the acids that has been treated with, that is Br2. So there is the formation of RBr plus AgBr plus CO2. RBr, CO2 and Ag and Br that combine to form AgBr. So there is the formation of that is alkyl that is bromide compounds. You will take the examples of that is C2H5 COOH plus Br2 that combines to form C2H5Br plus CO2 plus AgBr, that is ethyl bromide. So these are the different methods for the preparation of that is alkyl halides, that is bromide, chlorides, etc. Next we will say that is regarding the methods of preparation of that is aryl halides, namely chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, etc. Next regarding the methods of preparation of aryl halides, that is preparation of aryl halides. So regarding the methods of preparation of that aryl halides, that is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, etc. will proceed from that is BDC. So BDC, that is one of the important method for the preparation of that is aryl halides. BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. So BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, that is produced by taking aniline. We will discuss in the chapter preparation and properties of that BDC later on. Just I am giving that example how that BDC that is prepared. So aniline reacts with NaNO2 and HCl at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Aniline that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. So there is the formation of that BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. So this is the method of preparation of that BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. So from this BDC, from that BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, how that fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene is prepared, that is preparation of aryl halide from BDC. So first one, that is BDC that has been treated with Ki, potassium iodide. So there is the formation of that is iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl. So this is removed in the form of that N2. So I, that is iodobenzene. In the same manner, if we take that is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride that has been treated with HbA4. So there is the formation of fluorobenzene. That is BDC that has been treated with Ki to form iodobenzene, BDC that has been treated with HbA4 to form fluorobenzene. So this is the very important method from where we can obtain that chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, etc. So BDC that has been treated with CuCl, HCl, there is the formation of that is chlorobenzene. if that has been treated with CuBr and HBr, there is the formation of that is bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. So these two reactions are known as Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction, and this reaction is known as Balch-Seaman reaction. So regarding the methods of preparation of that aryl halides, that is iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, from that BDCA, that is very very important, because by taking that BDCA we can obtain all the aryl halides. So whenever BDC that has been treated with Ki, there is a formation of iodobenzene. BDC that has been treated with HbF4, there is a formation of fluorobenzene. This reaction that is known as Balch-Seaman reaction. And whenever BDC that has been treated with CuCl, HCl, CuBr, HBr, there is a formation of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. So instead of that copper chloride or copper bromide, we can take also that is freshly prepared, that is copper. So this is regarding the methods of preparation of that aryl halides from that BDC. Next we'll say regarding the methods of preparation of that aryl halides from the benzene, that is electrophilic substitution reactions in benzene. So you know benzene, that is a rich source of electron which contains 6 pi number of delocalized electron. Because there is the presence of 3 pi bonds, 6 pi number of delocalized electrons are there. Or we can say benzene ring is a rich source of electron which can be easily attacked by electrophiles like Cl plus, Br plus, etc. So how that reaction that takes place, and regarding that mechanism we will discuss. Next one, that is electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. By this method, we just can't prepare that fluorobenzene, because fluorine is very reactive. Fluorine is very reactive. Therefore, fluorobenzene by this method cannot be prepared. So next we'll go for that chlorobenzene. So chlorine, that is chlorination, that is named as chlorination. Chlorination of benzene. Chlorination of benzene. So benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of Lewis acids, electron deficient molecules like FeCl3 or AlCl3, that is halogen carrier, chlorine Cl, halogen carrier, Lewis acids, they are the catalyst, that is Lewis acid, that will act as catalyst. Lewis acid as catalyst. FeCl3 or AlCl, that is halogen carrier. If you take bromine, then you have to take that FeBr3. Halogen bromine, then you have to take that FeBr3. Halogen, we have taken that chlorine, then we have to take that FeCl3. So what will happen? So hydrogen atom in the benzene ring, that will get replaced by that chlorine. So there is the formation of chlorobenzene plus HCl. Hydrogen atom from the benzene ring is replaced by that chlorine. There is the formation of that chlorobenzene. Next one, if we take that is bromination. Bromination, we will discuss the mechanism of this later on. Mechanism, how that reaction that takes place. Next one, that is bromination, benzene that has been treated with bromine, halogen carrier, that is FeBr3, chlorine FeCl3, bromine FeBr3. So this is also Lewis acid, that is electron deficient molecule that will act as catalyst. So in the same manner that the formation of bromobenzene, the mechanism will be same. That is allotrophilic substitution reaction. So during bromination, the Br plus will act as allotrophile. In this case, Br plus will act as allotrophile. In this case, Cl plus will act as allotrophile. So chlorine that reacts with benzene in presence of FeCl3 or LCl3 to form chlorobenzene, Cl plus will act as allotrophile. And if we carry out the bromination, then bromine reacts with benzene in presence of FeBr3, that the formation of bromobenzene, and Br plus will act as allotrophile. Next we will say that is iodination. Benzene plus I2 that gives rise to iodobenzene plus Hi. We have discussed during the preparation that alkyl iodides, the reaction was slow, that is slow reaction and reversible. The reaction is slow and reversible. Therefore, the formation of iodobenzene is difficult from that benzene. Benzene reacts with iodine to form iodobenzene and Hi. So this Hi which is produced, that is strong reducing agent, that is the example of that strong reducing agent. So that will reduce the iodobenzene to form that benzene. Then how that reaction that takes place? We have already discussed in alkyl halide. So that reacts, that is strong oxidizing agents like nitric acid HNO3 plus Hi that combine to form, that is H2O plus NO2 plus I2. So benzene reacts with iodine to form iodobenzene and Hi. This is the strong reducing agent. So the reaction is slow and reversible. Therefore the formation of iodobenzene is difficult. Then how it is done? It is done in presence of that strong oxidizing agents like nitric acid, phosphoric acid, etc. Because the Hi is the powerful reducing agent which will reduce iodobenzene. So we have to consume this Hi. We have to consume that Hi by the addition of that nitric acid, strong oxidizing agent. So that by lowering the concentration of that product side, according to Lee-Chadwick's principle, the reaction will be carried out in the forward direction. So immediately after the formation of that Hi, nitric acid that will consume that Hi to form H2O, NO2 and I2. So Hi concentration decreases. So according to Lee-Chadwick's principle, the reaction will be carried out in the forward direction. So this is how the iodobenzene is prepared. This is one of the important questions, how iodobenzene is prepared, or why the iodination of benzene is difficult. How it is prepared? Iodination of benzene is difficult because of the slow and reversibility nature of that reaction. Why it is slow and reversible? Because Hi and Hi, that is the powerful reducing agent which reduce iodobenzene to form benzene and iodine. Then how it is done? It is done in presence of the powerful oxidizing agent like nitric acid and phosphoric acid which will consume that Hi. So this is regarding the methods of preparation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. Fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by this method because fluorine is very reactive. Therefore, the suitable method for the preparation of fluorobenzene, that is from BDC by the action with HbF4. Reaction is known as, that is Ball-Seaman reaction. Next we will explain regarding the mechanism of that chlorination reaction. So benzene reacts chlorine in presence of FeCl3 or LCl3 to form chlorobenzene. In this case, Cl plus will act as, that is allotrophile. So how that reaction that takes place, we have to explain through that mechanism. So this reaction that proceeds through 3 steps. In the first step, step 1, that is generation of allotrophile. That is generation of allotrophile. Cl, bond Cl that has been treated with FeCl3, that is Lewis acid, electron deficient molecule that will act as catalyst. So that gives side to FeCl4, that is minus, plus Cl plus. So this Cl plus will act as electrophile. Cl plus will act as electrophile. So in the first step, there is the generation of electrophile. In the second step, step 2, attacking of electrophile. Attacking of that electrophile. We know benzene ring, that is a rich source of electron. Benzene ring, that is a rich source of electron which contains 6 pi number of delocalized electrons. There is the presence of 6 pi number of delocalized electron which can be easily attacked by that electrophile Cl plus. Electrophile, positively charged species, that will attack to this ring, that will withdraw the electron from that ring, and there is the formation of that bond. So electron that has been dragged from that benzene ring, there is the formation of bond. So there is the resonance stabilization of this molecule. So in this case, attacking of that electrophile, Cl plus will attack to the benzene ring. Cl plus will attack to the benzene ring because ring is a rich source of electron. So there is a positive charge species that is produced, and this is stabilized by resonance because there is a conjugation, single bond, double, single, double. So this bond will be shifted to this side. This carbon atom that becomes positive charge. Again this bond will be shifted to the side. This carbon atom that becomes positive charge. That means electron density that decreases in the ring, and there is the formation of that is sigma bonded compounds, that is non-aromatic compound that is produced. Non-aromatic compound that is produced. So this is the species that is produced in the second step. In the third step, step 3. Step 3. First step, generation of electrophile. Second step, attacking of electrophile. Third step, that is abstraction. Abstraction of proton. That is abstraction of proton from that species. Abstraction of proton from that species. So abstraction of proton from this species, how this proton that is abstracted from this species, that is positively charged species, hydrogen atom is there. In every position there is the presence of that hydrogen, but in this case hydrogen atom will get replaced by that chlorine. So this is the species that is produced, and FeCl4 minus, that will abstract FeCl4 minus, that will abstract the proton. H plus FeCl4 minus. So this bond pair of electron that is shifted to the ring. So this side which was unclosed, again that has been closed. So there is the formation of this species, that is chlorobenzene plus FeCl3 plus HCl. AH and Cl, HCl, and FeCl3 that remains. So there is the formation of that chlorobenzene. So regarding the mechanism of that chlorination, first step that is generation of electrophile, second step attacking of electrophile, and resonance stabilization of that species. Then abstraction of proton, that is hydrogen atom, that is taken out as H plus ion, and then the formation of HCl and FeCl3. Then what is the role of that FeCl3? FeCl3 will act as, that is Lewis acid, electron deficient species. So that the formation of chlorobenzene. So this is the mechanism how that chlorination that takes place. In the same manner we can take, that is bromination, where Br plus that will act as electrophile. So this is how the mechanism we have explained, that is electrophilic substitution reactions in benzene. That is formation of that chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. In this case fluorobenzene cannot be prepared. So dear students, already we have explained regarding the methods of preparation of alkyl halides and aryl halides, different methods for their preparation. In the coming class we will explain regarding that is chemical properties and that is physical properties of that alkyl halide and aryl halide, and chemical reactivity of alkyl, aryl, vinyl, allyl, etc. So be prepared yourself for the exam of the chapter, that is zero group elements and that is carboxylic acids. Be well prepared to attend that exam. Probably that will be a question of 30 marks, and special award that will be given to you for the best 10 students, and that is MCQ type of questions. So particularly the chapters, that is carboxylic acids and group 18 elements. So go through my channel, you will get all the sufficient data, and also the WhatsApp that I have given, my WhatsApp, where the questions are given. So thank you all.